Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install Tor Browser on Linux Mint 22.2. Open the default browser that comes with Linux Mint, that is Firefox. Go to Tor project.org. Click on download Tor Browser or click on this download Tor Browser, both are same. Then click on download for Linux. See, download started and its size is about 118 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Once download completes, then we will enter this zip file. See, download completed. Now open terminal. Go to downloads directory, cd downloads, ls. See here we have the zip file. We have to unzip tar-xf. Then give tar-browser. Give the tab to autofill entire zip file. Hit enter. ls. See here we have the extracted folder. Go to that. Now we have to run this tar browser.desktop file. No need to give sudo, just give /start. Then press the tab from your keyboard to autofill entire file name. Hit enter. Wait a moment, it will be opened. See, we got the Tor browser. Connect to Tor, and also see here always connect automatically. So enable it. Then click on connect. See here the default search engine for Tor browser is DuckDuckGo. Okay. So in this video we have seen how to install Tor browser on Linux Mint 22.2. Okay. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.